Hello everyone, Mr. Richter here, and our topic for discussion today is natural disasters. There are many different kinds of natural disasters. Some are caused by severe weather. Scientists and governments look for ways to mitigate or lessen the damage from these events. Earthquakes are caused by rock fracturing within the earth. Rocks slide past one another on a geological fault, and the vibrations of the Earth's surface near the fault can be severe and cause death and destruction to infrastructure, that is, buildings, roads, and facilities. Earthquakes can cause tsunamis, which are large waves in oceans. Seeches, or large waves in lakes, can also happen. Most sediments may be reduced to fluid. Eruptions of mud volcanoes may also occur. Floods and fires may also happen as infrastructure is damaged. Earthquakes occur when stress builds up in one spot of the Earth's crust, overcoming frictional forces within a fault. Most earthquakes occur on pre-existing faults. The fault slips as a crack spreads over the fault plane. The rapidly slipping fault creates seismic waves into the surrounding rock, and the waves carry vibratory energy from the fault. The energy is conveyed to distant parts of the Earth that may experience only mild shaking. Strong shaking near the fault lasts only as long as it is slipping, a few seconds to a minute. Small earthquakes occur in the hours and days following a large earthquake, and these are known as aftershocks. They result from rock near the fault adjusting to new stress levels. The epicenter is the location on the Earth's surface above the point where the seismic rupture begins. The point underground where the rupture begins is the hypocenter. The severity of an earthquake is expressed in terms of magnitude and intensity. Magnitude estimates all the energy emanating from an earthquake source. Intensity measures the damage caused by an earthquake at a particular location. Intensity decreases with distance from the earthquake's source. The best known scale for measuring earthquake magnitude is the Richter scale. The original scale, devised by Charles Richter, relied on two inputs: amplitude, which is a reading from a seismometer, and the distance between the seismometer and the earthquake source. The Richter scale has been modified to accommodate readings from multiple locations and instruments. Every version of the Richter scale measures amplitude in the form of a logarithm, and each tenfold increase in amplitude corresponds with a single whole number increase in magnitude. Richter values are expressed in small numbers and decimal fractions. Minor earthquakes are in magnitudes of 2.0 to 3.9, light to moderate earthquakes 4.0 to 5.9, and strong to major earthquakes between 6.0 and 7.9. Earthquake intensity is a measure of its effects on buildings and infrastructure. The modified Mercalli scale measures site damage from 1 to 12, with 12 meaning complete destruction. The scale is subjective and depends upon observed facts. Earthquakes are common events. 15,436 earthquakes of 5.0 or greater occurred in the 1980s. Earthquakes occur in almost every part of the world. And the seismic zones follow the Earth's tectonic plates. Thank you for attending our discussion on disasters, natural disasters, and I look forward to seeing you in the live lesson. Have a great day.